Art history is the study of human creativity through time. It explores how cultures, societies, and individuals express their beliefs, emotions, and values through visual forms. From the ancient cave paintings of Lascaux to the intricate sculptures of the Renaissance, each artwork tells a story about the era and the people who created it. Art history is not just about dates and styles, it is a journey into understanding how art reflects and shapes human experience. One of the most fascinating aspects of art history is its ability to connect us with the past. By examining paintings, sculptures, and architecture, we gain insight into how different civilizations lived, what they believed, and how they communicated. Art history teaches us that creativity is universal and timeless, offering a window into humanity's collective imagination.